What's up everybody? Welcome back to MLL California House Tour. Today me and Marco, we're gonna be touring this fantastic property located at 324 3rd Street in Huntington Beach, California. This house features 3 bedroom, 5 bath, 2,875 square feet of living space, and it's a gorgeous property just steps away from the beach, from Main Street, and from Pacific City. Please remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's start with a tour to this first floor that features this beautiful, massive kitchen with this giant island, beautiful white countertops, feature built-in sink, this gorgeous kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, the 6-burner stove, dishwasher here, microwave, and as you can see, all custom-made cabinetry, plenty of storage space all around this beautiful kitchen. And here we have this wine closet where you can put all the bottle of wine in your collection. And here we have a walk-in pantry, big space right here. We're getting out, and we have this gorgeous big fridge, Air appliances. And here we have the door to the elevator that is featured on all 3 floors. This property has 3 floors and also has a 4th level rooftop deck, 360 degrees view. We're gonna check it out later. Now, if you follow me here, we have this spacious laundry room with built-in sink. Same here, custom-made white cabinets, plenty of storage room. And here we're gonna access the 2-car garage. And here the door, we're gonna show you later. On the other side you have a very large driveway, and it's a space that is perfect since we're a step away from the beach. So it's important to have plenty of parking space. Now let's go back inside. And this is the first of the 5 bathrooms. Here on the first floor, as you can see, beautiful finishes. And now we're walking here in front of this beautiful wooden table, 8 seats, this formal dining area in between our kitchen and our family room right here. And here we show you this family room. We have this fireplace right here, couch, space for a large TV over here. And also, as you can see, this is a big glass door to access this outdoor patio with a built-in fireplace, lounges, beautiful area to gather around with friends and family, to hang out. Same here, when the door is open, you're gonna have your indoor-outdoor flow, and also it's perfect in the summertime, but all over the year here in Southern California. And now, follow me on the 2nd floor. It's where all the bedrooms are located. I'm gonna show you this bonus room. Very pretty, cozy space here. We have 2 lounge chairs here. We have a flat screen TV, storage space, and we're gonna start now from the bottom here, the very end, the first guest bedroom. We have this beautifully staged first guest bedroom with a big, large windows to get plenty of lights from outside. And also we have this little corner that can feature a table for a little office space. And also we have here closet space. Here, I'm gonna show you this bedroom with double vanity, and also we have a beautiful shower. There's a doors also that connect the bathroom to the second guest bedroom. With this little chair, we have a large windows here as well. Storage closet here. And I love these large windows with a tree outside. And we're getting out of this space, and I'm gonna show you this beautiful custom-made desk, 2 chairs, shelves. Here I'm going to show you another bathroom. Beautiful finishes. All the house is a craft custom-made home and has some beautiful finishes, perfectly staged. Now we're gonna go to the master bedroom. Here on the left, we have some shelf space. And also we have a built-in fireplace here. Some art on the wall, and I'm gonna show you one of the most beautiful part of this home, which is the master bedroom. We have a independent soaking tub, 2 vanity, and you see you have a large windows here to give you plenty of lights. We also have a very large walk-in closet, plenty of space. Here, a little more extra cabinet space. And here, this gorgeous shower. Large, very large, and with amazing finishes. I love this master bedroom. It's very light and bright, large, it's perfect. And here you can see one of the zone controls that you can see all over the house to control the air conditioning, centralized air conditioning. So this is the hall for the second floor. And now let's get upstairs. 3rd floor. Large windows all over the property. And this is this massive bonus room, perfect for entertaining. We have a wet bar here, plenty of cabinetry, and here you can see you can access these 2 fantastic outdoor patio, and these 2 large glass door. This covered patio here with lounges, and also this area outside with 2 extra lounges to enjoy this property that it's the ultimate entertainer's dream home. You see there's plenty of space to entertain and hang out with friends and family. And this 3rd floor, it's dedicated exclusively to entertaining. We have here the entrance to the elevator, and we have this large bathroom with a beautiful shower, beautiful backlash, light fixture and appliances, beautiful. And we're gonna access here the second patio, connected through this glass door. We have this whole indoor-outdoor feeling and experience. And here we have this dining table, and also high top table with plenty of space. And here we access the 4th floor, which is a rooftop deck with 360-degree view. And here you can see this 4th level rooftop deck with 360-degree view. Beautiful space. We are here just a quick walk from the beach and from Main Street and Pacific City. So this is a bonus space with this little fire pit, and it's gorgeous. Probably at nighttime you're gonna see beautiful views, sunset views from Huntington Beach, California. Thank you so much to Rita Abouchedid, give us the chance to tour this property. She's the listing agent, and we thank her to give us the opportunity to show all our subscribers this stunning property. Now we're gonna get out here and take a look at the patio in front of the family room. We have this access to the main entrance. And this is a beautiful outdoor space with lounges, built-in fireplace, and also here on the side we have access to some extra space here to go into the back of the property. If you follow me, I can show you how deep is this lot. We have an extra shower here, which is perfect since we're located very close to the beach. We have the entrance to the 2-car garage, and also here, if we keep going, we see this driveway to access the 2-car garage space of this property, and also the access here is in an alley, very private. We have also plenty of space on the driveway. And here we do the entrance of our property.